explain cybersecurity basics to everyone, including cybersecurity students. It will have like introduction to information security, cybersecurity, what are the hackers, type of hackers. Then we will have important terminologies used in the field of cybersecurity. What is malware? What are the types of malware? What is a cyber attack and what are the types of cyber attacks? And we will have some hands-on examples also so that you can practice in your premises. But before we delve into the topic, I would like to share that I have created a Telegram group. Whosoever is willing to join, please write in the comment box or email your mobile number at cyberpathshala@gmail.com. I will be giving the email ID in the description box. In this Telegram group, I will be sharing more information about cybersecurity and cyber forensics. So let's begin with the today's topic. What is information security and cybersecurity, or what is the difference between these two terms? Though both the terms share common goal of protecting users, devices, and data, but they focus on different issues and takes a very different approach. When we talk about the IT, meaning information technology, so what we do in IT? IT uses computer network, hardware, software to store and share digital information. And IT security professionals, they may create plans and policies to protect digital assets and monitor computer systems and network for threats. They may also work to protect the physical equipment storing the data along with the data itself. Here lies the difference, meaning they will be storing or they will be looking after physical equipment security also. We will understand more about it. So another subset of IT is information security. As its name explains, information security, meaning it is securing the information. So it focuses on securing data and systems against unauthorized access. Some professional group within the field of cybersecurity, they may handle cybersecurity aspects plus information security aspects. So responsibilities overlap sometimes whenever you apply for a job. So you may given the responsibilities of infosec professional plus cybersec professional. Larger organizations do have separate job profiles for infosec and cybersecurity professionals. So when we talk about the infosec, it focuses on maintaining the integrity and security of data during storage plus during transmission. So in short, information security encompasses all forms of data. These infosec specialists, they do create and enforce user, network, and data security policies. And also they do educate their network users, their employees about security issues and encourage them to follow security standards. Also, they do investigate also sometimes. So when we have to define information security, how will we define information security? As we know that information security meaning securing the information. So InfoSec protects sensitive information from unauthorized activities, including inspection, modification, recording, description, or any destruction of data. So overall goal is to ensure the safety and privacy of critical data, such as customer account details, financial data, or say intellectual property. Softwares or say applications, these do fall under intellectual property. So InfoSec people will be protecting the information and information systems against unauthorized use. If we have to take one real-time example to explain InfoSec, we may take the example of a bank. Bank will be storing the customer's financial information as a InfoSec measure. When data is transiting, meaning you are transferring some fund from A account to B account, so when you actually transfer the amounts, what happens within the system? It will have A person's account, it will have B person's account name, plus the fund you have to transfer. So that information will be traveling from your system to bank servers, and then further within the bank server, actual transaction will happen. So data is transiting. So when this data is transiting, Bank will be securing this data when it is in process, means it is in transit, plus when it is stored into the bank devices and systems. So what bank will be doing? Bank will have security measures like say physical security controls. It may have locked doors, it may have security cameras in place, plus it will have certain access controls like who can access what kind of information, who have access to bank locker room, who have access to systems which are in the special rooms or which are protected. Plus bank will have some technical measures such as encryption or say firewalls or intrusion detection system to secure the data. So like this, bank will be securing the data and the systems. This falls under information security because bank has to secure whatever information is available. So this falls under information security. When we say cybersecurity, so cybersecurity mainly focuses on the data which is uh, in the cyber world, which is in the space, cyberspace. So cybersecurity focuses more narrowly on protecting computer systems, digital devices, and data from unauthorized access. And in infrastructure may include internet connections, local area networks, which are storing and sharing the information. Cybersecurity mainly focuses on preventing hackers from gaining digital access to important data, which is on network or on computers or within the programs, so software programs. InfoSec and CyberSec, both professionals have different or say specialized responsibilities. While when you work in IT and especially in cybersecurity, you will be responsible for protecting people or say users and information from electronic attacks. Hacks can result into identity theft or say data theft or loss or unauthorized access to emails or unauthorized access to database, or even they may implement some malicious software within the organization's network. So under cybersecurity, you have to protect and prevent damage. And if there is any damage, then you have to restore electronic communication services and systems. So cybersecurity refers to every aspect of protecting an organization and its employees and assets against cyber threats within the cyberspace. Example, suppose there is a large organization. So they may use cybersecurity measures to protect their intellectual property, meaning some softwares or specialized apps or financial data, customer information. Now you may say, same is being done under information security. Yes. But what was happening in the information security? Protecting or having the physical locks, having the security camera, those are also part of infosec. But within the cyber security, this is not falling. Though when we apply for jobs for say cybersecurity professionals, you may be asked to have complete security or control. So you have to protect the data plus the system. So that's why I said that sometimes responsibilities do change or interchange. But overall, if we go by the terminology, then there is a difference. Information security is all about the information. We have to secure the information. When we talk about the cyber security, it is mostly about the hacking, plus we have to focus on the data which is in the cyber world. So for securing the data which is in the cyber world, this organization may conduct regular vulnerability assessments, penetration testing. They may implement multi-factor authentication. They may train their employees on cybersecurity best practices. Say sometimes they do have cybersecurity drills within the banks. They do have cybersecurity drills like suppose you have received one mail, how will bank employee will react to that, whether they are victim of it or not. So that is how they do train. So in cybersecurity, measures can include implementing firewalls, antivirus software, intrusion detection, intrusion prevention systems, plus encryption technologies, security protocol and policies. But under cybersecurity, implementation of security cameras and physical doors or physical security of the building will not fall. So now you can explain, or I hope you have understood what is information security and what is cyber security and what is the difference. So in the exam or in the interview, you may be asked, is there any difference between cybersecurity and information security? Or whether a cybersecurity is a subset of information security. So if you have understood the topic, do write in the comment box. Do let me know what you have understood. Soon I will be back with the next video, which will be on hackers, type of hackers, etc.